Welcome back. I'm excited to finish up our hanger steak. This looks delicious. It's been seasoned. You've braised every end of it.
So I went through and I did all my searing, and I'm going to lay these in now because I just want to get a little bit more on the edges. But I also don't want to lose the appearance of my steak.
Why did we switch up pans from our original?
Well, my cast iron skillet carries over too much heat. This one I can just put a little bit, control the heat in here a little bit easier. I can heat it up really quick when we were coming back, so I don't have to worry about anything. But normally I would do this all in my cast iron skillet at home where I'm not
Or if you're on the grill, you know.
Or on your grill. But I'm just getting a little bit more of a good sear on here. And one of the things that you're going to want to do with your steaks before you go and immediately throw them onto the grill is take them out. Take them out before you're ready to cook them.
Okay.
About an hour before you're ready to cook them. Salt them, let it sit, let them sit. That salt's going to dissolve into, or it's going to pull some of the moisture out and dissolve, and then that moisture is going to seep back into your steak. So you're going to draw seasoning into your steak. A lot of people, they get home, they cut it out, they throw some salt and pepper or whatever they want on there, and they immediately throw it on the grill.
Yeah.
Plan ahead just a little bit, and your steak will be 10 times better. So, oh, there we go. There we go. That's beautiful.
I like my meat medium rare. Yeah, or rare. Probably medium rare for TV. It looks good, nice and juicy. Oh, beautiful. And then earlier this morning we made this pineapple salsa with pickled jalapenos in it, and onions and tomatoes, and it looks delicious, smells delicious. If you want to find the recipe for this, all you have to do is check out our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. A little bit later this morning, we'll have all of these segments all in one link on the morning show page.
I'm going to take a little bit of a pineapple salsa.
The flavors, nice mixture, and a beautiful display. Oh, yeah.
This board was actually given to me by a fellow teacher who teaches culinary arts. The tree fell in his backyard.
Wow.
So he repurposed a lot of this stuff.
That's cool.
There you go. So just help yourself right there to a little piece, a little bit of that salsa, and let us know what you think.
Okay, I'll take one from the back so it doesn't miss. Okay. Excited to try this? Put a little more salsa on there. That's good. That's
you like
really
that?
good.
Clean, simple. Remember when you're out grilling this summer, you don't have to overcomplicate everything. Keep it nice and clean and simple, and the flavors, your skills, your ideas will come through a lot better.
That's good flavor, really good flavor. Again, you can find this on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. When you come back in a couple weeks, I think we're going to be grilling out on the grill. This is going to be exciting.
I'm excited for that one.
Looking forward to it. We'll be right back.